I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY, answering the question, how do you use Weld Original Cold Steel? Let's dive in. Works on aluminum, metal, wood, plastic, tile, PVC, ceramic, fiberglass, concrete, and more. So today we're going to use it to repair this metal. I mix equal proportions of the steel and hardener. You can open it with the cap. The steel and hardener. I like to hang on old room keys. They come in really handy for mixing epoxies. And you mix it thoroughly until all the black is gray and all the white is gray. Now we apply it to the stool leg. Scrape off the excess, we're going to build it up later. Now we're going to take the excess and kind of build it up. Set time is 5 to 6 hours, but we're going to let it cure for 24 hours. We're going to come back tomorrow and check it out. So 24 hours later, and JB Weld is holding strong. For more JB Weld tips and ideas, click the image on your screen now.